What if you could replace climbing bins with having your mill in your pocket? Introducing Control Tower for ProSense HD, your mill inventory command center. Go from reactive, just-in-time management to a system that lets you monitor multiple feed mills, see bin activity, and stay ahead of issues from any device, anywhere. Let's take you on a quick tour. Control Tower connects all your installed ProSense HD bin sensors into a real-time, customized view of your actual facility. Now, instead of sending employees up ladders, you can view levels and total inventories for ingredients and finished goods at a quick glance. By selecting a bin, you can see detailed 3D renderings of the bin pile, along with deeper insights that show how inventory has changed over time and where it's headed next. As Control Tower evolves, you will have the power to proactively manage a number of issues, ingredient outages, shrink, and demurrage before they become bigger problems. Control Tower also works across devices, so it's easy to stay connected, whether you're on-site or off. That means faster decisions and fewer delays in situations where it matters most. Want a closer look at specific workflows or features? We'd be happy to show you more. Get in touch with our milling team now. Welcome to Control Tower for ProSense HD. Your mill in your hands on your terms.